Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul. I'm not actually planning to do one this week, but I went to Kroger and I haven't been to Kroger in a hot minute, so I picked up a bunch of random weird things that I don't normally get, so I figured I would film it for you guys. So let's start with protein. This is from Kroger and Trader Joe's. I picked up some bacon just to have, and I think Scott's gonna need some for his recipes this week. A big thing of eggs because we were out. I grabbed this chicken, it was on sale. I normally just get like the giant pack of chicken, but this was the natural raised cage-free chicken breast, but it was on sale for $5 a piece, so I grabbed 2 of those. I'm gonna be making some crock pot chicken thing tonight, so that's what I'll use for that. I grabbed these for Arlo. They are the Pretty Simply Smart organic chicken breast nuggets. Figured he might like those. I don't love the Trader Joe's ones. I just feel like they're like McDonald's-y sort of things, so these are supposed to be like, I don't know, better. I don't know, more like actual meat. I grabbed some smoked turkey breast and some oven roasted, which I don't think I meant to get the oven roasted, but whatever. I love these for lunches. And then I really liked this. I grabbed the turkey last time, but I wanted to try the chicken. This is the Rotisserie seasoned chicken breast by the brand Columbus. It is more pricey than the Trader Joe's version of it, but I still really liked it. It was really thick. I grabbed some of this sliced uncured ham. This is Applewood smoked. I like ham in like breakfast tacos, and then I also have a split pea soup that I thought it would be really good to add some ham into it. I'd like to make my own split pea soup, but I just haven't yet, so I just thought this would be nice. I'll probably freeze this up, like take out a couple slices and freeze up the rest. Loved this, grabbed this last week. This is the maple chicken breakfast sausage. They're just super good. Awesome way to get some protein in for breakfast. For vegetables, I grabbed some baby broccoli, some zucchini, some haricot vert green beans, and then a big head of broccoli for a crock pot chicken that I'm gonna do. I grabbed some bananas, some lemons, and some big old thing of blueberries. Hopefully these taste good because last time I got them, they were not flavorful at all. So fingers crossed this tastes good. I also grabbed some flowers, which I don't know the last time I've grabbed flowers at Trader Joe's. So I grabbed 2 things of hydrangeas, these white guys, these little red holly berry things, which I thought were super pretty. And then this, these are like magnolia leaves, which is my favorite tree. But I thought the white, the red, and the dark green would look really pretty. I don't actually know how to put together a flower arrangement, so we'll see how it goes. I grabbed some Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. I grabbed some onion and chive cream cheese because I grabbed some mini bagels in here. I grabbed some heavy whipping cream for a recipe, as well as 3 things of butter. It was on sale and we had no butter. I'll probably freeze 1 or 2 of them and yeah, just have those on hand. I grabbed some garlic, probably about, I think there's 5 cloves in there. And then I think there's 3 shallots in here. And then some herbs. I grabbed the poultry blend. They gave rosemary, sage, and thyme for a recipe. Some orzo. 2 things of sweet potatoes for Arlo and us. Some almond milk. I didn't grab regular milk because we already have it. Frozen stuff so I can put it back in the freezer. I grabbed some hash browns. Arlo's gonna be home with us from Thursday on, so I figured just some quicker breakfast things for him. And those are so good in the air fryer. And then I grabbed the blueberry waffles because he's out of waffles. These are my favorite little, if I'm feeling like I want like a pizza or whatever, these are a healthier, higher protein option. These are the Quest pizzas. I really enjoy them. These are the pepperoni ones. This I grabbed, I've actually never tried. It's the Mandarin Orange Chicken from Trader Joe's. It's frozen. We ordered Chinese food this weekend and we don't normally do that, but we're craving it, whatever. And so it was just not good. And I was like, if we can have stuff like that at home, that if we're just wanting something quick and easy, we can grab it and it's better, then cool. And it's like a third of the price, then awesome. This is a quick staple meal you already know, the garganzola gnocchi. And then, oh, last but not least, I was able to find these Yazoo bars, the mint chocolate chip sandwiches. And then I grabbed a staple, the Yazoo sea salt caramel chocolate crunch. If you have not tried these, they're so freaking good. I cannot believe they're only 150 calories and they have 4 grams of protein in them. They're amazing. So that's the frozen stuff. Moving on to some pantry items. I was able to snag these again this season. These are like my favorite Thanksgiving item that Trader Joe's does, and I thought I missed them, but they just launched in my Trader Joe's. They're the seasoned kettle chips. They're the stuffing, Thanksgiving stuffing version of them. I got 2 of them. They're so good. If you haven't tried them, they're phenomenal. I grabbed a bottle of Pinot Grigio because I'm gonna use it for a recipe. I grabbed some veggie sticks. I thought these would be nice for Arlo to snack on. They're not like the healthiest, they're a potato, but I don't know, I thought those would be good for him. I grabbed 2 things of protein pasta. I grabbed penne and the thin spaghetti to have on hand. Like I said, I never really go to Kroger as much anymore, so I just walked by the pasta aisle looking for orzo and saw that, and I said, why not? I grabbed some mini bagels, like I said, with the cream cheese. I grabbed some bread. This is the Good Seed by Dave's Killer Bread. I have to pack a sack lunch for Arlo tomorrow and Wednesday, so I'll probably make him like a peanut butter jelly sandwich or something like that. With that bread, I grabbed some semi-sweet dark chocolate chunks. We just didn't have any, and I like having those on hand. This is a new coffee that I saw. This is the Ethiopia small lot coffee. It's medium roast with cocoa nibs, strawberry, and cinnamon. So this isn't, this is whole bean. I haven't ground it yet. And then I picked up this. I tried this last week and I hated it first and then I loved it. It is the chocolate peppermint loaf. Super good. I wanted to try it with actual chocolate inside of it, make it more chocolatey, but this is so decadent, so good. Check this out if you haven't already. These have been my newest obsession. These are their Quest Crispy Chocolate Caramel Pecan protein bars, 15 grams of protein, so good. I love these for like, they're coated in chocolate, but they have caramel. They're a good treat. Oh, Trader Joe's has their little like handcrafted mini felt like garland stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna use this on the actual tree, but I figured we could use it somewhere. So I grabbed 2 of them because they only had 2 left in the white. The other ones are like multicolor and like Christmassy colors. And I can't remember honestly what our Christmas decor looks like, so I have to pull that out and see. But I figured we would still use these no matter what. So that's what those look like. You can get them in a bunch of different colors as well. Grabbed this. This is like my favorite. Instead of buying like chicken stock in the can or in the box, I love grabbing these jars of better than bouillon. So I grabbed a roasted chicken and then a seasoned vegetable base, and you just mix them with water and you get like a chicken stock, and it lasts in the fridge for so much longer. I love these things. What else? Oh, a bunch of canned vegetables. So we've got carrots for Arlo, corn, another thing of corn, 2 things of green beans. They're on sale because of Thanksgiving right now, so I stocked up, and he prefers canned vegetables over fresh ones still for chewing reasons, I guess, but nonetheless, they're easy, they're quick, and he'll eat those for dinner and lunches. I grabbed 3 energy drinks from Alani new when I was at Target. The cherry slushie is one of my favorites. The breezeberry, and then this one I've never tried. It's the Witch's Brew, which I believe is like a caramel apple. I don't know how I'm gonna feel about that, but I figured I would try because it's limited edition. And I've never tried their fit shakes, their protein shakes. Typically I wouldn't purchase like these on the regular because they're like $3.50 a piece, which is kind of nuts. But I wanted to try them to see which like flavor I liked the most, and I would probably buy the actual like tub of it and make it myself. So this is the munchies version, the chocolate one, the cookies and cream, and the vanilla one. You can get these at Target. You probably can get them at Kroger. I didn't see them though. But I wanted to try the vanilla with coffee. I thought that would be really good. So we'll see. I have tried the munchies and the cookies and cream protein bar and loved them. So I wanted to try the actual protein shakes itself. And then this is also something new from Alani new. I know they released like seltzers, hard seltzers, but I haven't been able to find them anywhere. But I was at Kroger and I saw these on an end cap, and they're their sparkling flavored waters. This one's in the color or flavor peach. They had like cotton candy. I was like, no, gross. But I wanted to try them and just see. 8 cans, they're 12 ounces, so they're not like they're, are these 12 ounces? Yeah, I guess they would probably look like this. They are like 5 or 6, I think they were $5.99 or 6, something like that. So they're pricier than what I would normally pay for sparkling water. So unless they blow me out of the water, I probably won't repurchase them again, but we'll see. And then I grabbed a bubbly. I don't think I've tried this flavor before, the blueberry pomegranate bubbly. So grabbed that to have on hand as well. So that is everything that I've purchased this week for groceries. Obviously it's like a weird week, so I didn't get too much fresh produce, but this will be enough to last us. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please let me know by giving me a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, you guys.